Students, good morning. Now we will learn your math subject of second class. Open your books please and open page number 36. Okay, students, you can see in this given picture we have been given numbers from 64 to 69, and these numbers have been arranged in a particular order. And when the numbers are arranged from smaller to greater number, it is called ascending order of numbers, like 64 to 69. Okay, in ascending order the number always adds up and counting goes forward, like 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, and last one 69. So we can say these numbers are in ascending order. And when the numbers are arranged from greater to smaller number, it is called descending order of numbers, like 69 to 64. In descending order, the numbers always subtracts and counting goes backward, like 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, and 64. Okay, so here these numbers are in descending orders. Okay, now let's move to the next sum. Here we have to write the ascending and descending order of the numbers from 71 to 76. Let's start writing the numbers from the left side of the picture. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. Okay, 71 to 76. These numbers are in ascending order because we have arranged the numbers from smaller to greater. Okay, here 71 is a smaller number and the 76 is the greater number. Okay, and now in the right side 76 has already written. What comes before 76 in descending order? 75. In backward counting also. What comes before 75? It's 74, and before 74 it's 73, before 73 it's 72, and before 72 it's 71. Okay, and it is the descending order of numbers because we have arranged the numbers from greater to smaller. Okay, good. And now we have to arrange the numbers from 84 to 89 in ascending and descending orders in the next sum. Okay, so let's start writing the numbers in the left side of the picture and start from 84. 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, and last one 89. 9. Okay, these numbers are in ascending order of number. Okay, these numbers are in ascending order because we have arranged the numbers from smaller to greater. 84 to 89. Okay, and now write the number in the right side of the picture. Start from 89. What comes before 89? It's 88. And what comes before 88? It is 87. And before 87, it is 86. And before 86, it is 85. And before 85, it is 84. Okay, and it is the descending order of the numbers because here we have arranged the number from greater to smaller. Okay, good. And now move to the last sum. Here we have to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order, and we have given numbers from 52 to 57, and we have to arrange from 52 to 57 in ascending and descending order. Okay, so let's start to write the numbers on both sides of the picture. Firstly, in the left side, start from 52. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, and now in the right side, what comes before 57? It is 56, 55, 54, 53, and last one 52 comes before 53. Okay, and these numbers are in ascending order because we have arranged the number from smaller to greater, and the right side numbers are in descending order because here we have arranged the number from greater to smaller. Okay, I hope you all have understood the concept. Thank you.